Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Baidu Browser from your Windows and remove all leftover files. We will not remove Baidu Browser using the ordinary way. Instead of that, we will use this free tool because it removes all its concerned files. Once the tool opens, you'll see a list of all programs installed on your computer. Scroll through the list and look for Baidu Browser. Right-click on Baidu Browser. Then click the Uninstall button. Follow the on-screen steps to remove Baidu Browser. After the uninstall is done, the tool will automatically scan your system for leftover files, folders, and registry entries. When the list appears, make sure all items are selected, and then click Finish or Delete to remove everything. Now, to install the free tool, open your web browser and go to geekuninstaller.com. Click Free Download, then run the downloaded file. Geek Uninstaller doesn't need to be installed. It runs directly.